So, good day, MMJ. So, I am VJ Drano sa MMB83. So, this is my final activity 3 in lesson 94 Arduino, which is the stepper motor. So, before we begin, so let's try to discuss first the code of our Arduino in our IDE. So, first things first, we include a library stepper.h. So in this case is to import a stepper library for the control sa atong stepper motor, and also define steps 100, how much step circle. So also in this case it defines pila ka steps ang need niya para makompleto ang one full rotation circle sa motor. So next is the stepper steps 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case is to create an object sa tong stepper object. Then steps is number of steps per revolutions. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 stands for mga Arduino siya that mga Arduino pins that naka-connect sa motor driver, which is our stepper motor. So let's proceed. So we have here the in previous is equal to 0. So in this line of code is to get a variable to store our previous value sa analog input, and then which is gamiton po na siya para to compare sa new value, and may bala na po nato ang pila ka steps ang need niya nga lihokon. So next the void setup. So it is a setup function. Once turn siya once once na siya mudagan kung ma-start kani siya nga line is once na mudagan kung ma-start ang Arduino, then let's proceed to the stepper that set speed 90. So in this line of code is to set the speed sa atong stepper motor, and then 90 rotations per minute, then RPM meaning pas gamay ang ikot sa motor. So yeah, so let's proceed to the void loop. So we have here our loop. So it's a loop functions that mabalik-balik siya in a while running sa atong Arduino. Then we have here the end val analog read is equal to 0. So in this case is to read ang value gikan sa analog pin A0. But usually potentiometer ni siya, and maghatag na siya value gikan 0 up to 1023. So the next step is the stepper.step val previous. So in this case is to move ang stepper motor based sa difference sa current value o sa previous value niya. And kung mudako ang value sa potentiometer, na case mo forward ang motor, and then kung mubaba ang value is mo backward ang motor. So in the last step is the previous val. So in this case is to store the current value para mahimong previous value sa next loop. So let's proceed to the output. This is the output of Arduino, no? So as you can see that, no? And that's all. Thank you.